Hello beautiful people, my name is Eniola and I am here to show you how to make authentic, delicious, world-class restaurant standard jollof rice. This is made possible by me, Flavor Esther. Join me as I share with you my secret ingredients. Let's meet in the kitchen. Yeah, that's me in the kitchen getting ready to prepare our authentic jollof rice served with grilled chicken and stir-fried pepper sauce garnished with cucumber carrot rolls. All the ingredients in here are listed in the description box on this video. Each segment shows the exact measurement for each recipe for better understanding. These are the seasonings and spices to be used for all the recipes. The vegetables had been washed and prepped. This is carrot which has been diced, sliced green, red and yellow pepper for our stir-fry pepper sauce. Pepper combination to be grilled and used for jollof rice. Note that the grilling part is optional. Spring onions, curry leaf or patmenja, only 4 to 5 sprigs will be used. Parboiled green peas, 2 onions cut into half, each making a total of 4. So I'll be using 1 half for each recipe. Cucumber and carrot to make roasts for garnishing. Salt. Chicken chest has been washed and pat dried. I have about 4 to 5 pieces here which will be grilled in batches. Uncooked rice. Marinate the chicken hours before cooking so that the marinade can seep in. Rub the marinade evenly on the chicken. Set aside when done. Grill the pepper combinations of bawa, atarodo and tomato meant for the jollof rice. When slightly grilled, take out. Let it cool and blend with onion. Add little water to the blender just to roll the blades. Grill the marinated chicken while getting ready to prepare the jollof rice. For the jollof rice, add vegetable oil into heated clean pot. Add chopped onions, let it fry for a few minutes. Add small thyme, small curry powder and stir. Add in the tomato paste and stir fry for some minutes. Add the blended grilled peppers and let it fry, stirring constantly. Add the remaining curry powder. Add white pepper, Maggi chicken tablet and Beni Jollof and stew seasoning. Add salt to taste. Add enough water to cook the quantity of rice you are making and let it boil. Once boiled, add the green peas, wash dry, stir and leave to cook. While the rice is cooking, check the grilled chicken. When done, take it out, set aside. Once the rice has reached steaming stage, add the carrot, turn and steam for a few minutes. Once the rice is soft and cooked well, add the already chopped curry leaf, spring onion, stir and bring down from fire. Next, prepare the stir-fry pepper sauce. Add little oil into a heated pot. Add sliced onion. Stir fry for a few minutes. Add the sliced red, yellow and green pepper. Stir fry. Add white pepper, pinch of salt and stir fry for just a few minutes. It must not be soft. Take away from fire when done. Set aside. As you can see at the corner, I am washing my hands thoroughly a second time before handling the vegetables. Now we want to prepare the garnish rose. Create a rose using cucumber and carrot. Slice the cucumber thin. Now cut out another part of the cucumber to create the base. As you can see, I'm doing it in the video. Now take the sliced cucumber and form as seen here. The cucumber slices serve as the petals. Now I'm going to stick the petals into the base I've already made. Exactly as I'm doing it. The slices represent the petals. Just follow as seen. Now stick it inside the base that you have done. Slice it out so that it will be balanced. Slice out carrots and make as seen in this video. This will serve as the stamen and the pistil of the rose. Now that carrot is going to be inside the cucumber that you have done. Cucumber rose is ready. Dish your food. Try this recipe this festive period and you will definitely enjoy it. The aroma alone is filling. Kindly give me a thumbs up and if you have any question, I'll be in the comments section. Wow, lovely. Thanks for watching.